Hey y'all, it's another Rockies Roads, and I'm proud to say I'm the first person that's ever walked out here. Nice little piece of petrified wood. There's another one with some nice little sparklies on it. Isn't that pretty? Let's see what, I'll throw that in the truck. What else we got here? Nice piece of wood. What's this? Another nice piece of wood. And I'm the first person out here in the Badlands of North Dakota. First person has walked this piece of property. Nice. Ooh, yeah, let me pause it. There we go. Look at stuff just sticking up out of the ground. Piece of wood. Let's go see what else we can find. Look at this. I left my hammer up there. Petrified wood. Petrified wood. I'll save those. Let's see what else we can find. Look at this. Petrified wood. Man, oh man. Look at this. It's all over the place. Man, I'm outside of Glendive, Montana. Petrified wood. Outside of Glendive, Montana on some private property. And just can't believe all this stuff. Petrified heaven. See what else I can find. Here's a bigger piece. It's just all over. Look at this. Everywhere you look. Petrified wood. Let's see if I can find something better. Oh, look at this. Look it. It is all over the place. God dog it. Come on now. I didn't bring my hammer with me. It's down, but look at this as it sits. Petrified, 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 petrified. Another big piece here. Look at this. Nice piece. Save that. It is everywhere. Good Lord. Nice piece of wood. A keeper. I'm looking for the stuff like this that's got more agatization in it. But look, every place you look at this. Man, oh man. Look at this. Look at this. Petrified, 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 pet. I'm in a forest. Holy smokes. I think I'm in the Gettin spot. Son of a gun. Just as it lays. I'm the first person to pick this joker up. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. Slice it up. Make some pretty jewelry with this stuff. Man. Wow, look at this stuff. Man, oh man. I want the pretty kind like that. Wow, that is beautiful. Anyway, y'all, it's another Rockies Road. Oh, hell, let me go around here and see what we've got. Glendive, Montana. Oh, brother, I can't get this joker out. Look at this. Look at this stuff. Man, look at this. Oh, pretty. It's everywhere. Look at this piece. Wow, look at this joker. Oh, man, that's a chunk of wood. Son of a gun. I'm looking for something with some knot holes in it. Big old piece. Oh, here we go. Look up here. Look at this. Son of a gun. Oh, brother. Got wood. Look at this stuff. Man. If I can get this joker out without my hammer. Hang on. I can't believe this. Look at this stuff. Here. There. All this little stuff. I'm gonna be cleaning out the truck to get rid of half the crap I've got in there. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Once again, it's another Rockies Roads. How many pieces of petrified wood can you spot down here? Wow. Look at the grain on this. That's nice. I have to hire an 18-wheeler to haul this stuff home or send it to Mine Shaft Rocks and Minerals in Comanche, Oklahoma. Wow, man. Ease over here and see what else we can find. Look at all this wood. Surface finds. I hadn't dug anything up yet. I ain't broke the shovel out yet. Piece. Piece here. Nice piece. Another one here. Oh, agatized. You can see on the top. Look at this wood. Here. Look at these pieces here. Wow, that's nice. Wow, I think I'm in the Gettin spot. All right, let me look around. I'm not going to pick anything else up till I get up to the top of the hill. Look at this, as it sits, just picked up for you, for your viewing pleasure. Look at that. Oh yeah, sand in my mouth now. Okay, hang on, we're still looking. Another nice piece. Wow. Another nice piece. Ah. That's nice. Put it in the haul back pile. Son of a gun. Nice piece. Piece there. Ah. There's a piece. Look at that. All right. Look at this. Ah. Another piece. Got some quartz on the outside working. Wow. On up the hill we go. Ah, shoot. Another piece. That's pretty. That's pretty. Look at this. That's nice. All right, hang on. Look at this. Wow. This is something else. Look at this. It's all over the place. Glendive, Montana, my friends. Let me go find something that where I can find a bigger piece. I'm looking for something like a stump. All right, I'll be back. It's another Rockies Roads out here in southeastern Montana. Catch you later.